Hello. The start of 2020 has seen the dollar strengthening modestly against G10 currencies, but at the same time, emerging market currencies have held up well against the dollar. Now, we believe this fragile dollar rebound against G10 mostly reflects a near-term correction that lacks any fundamental backing. We see three main forces that will weaken the dollar this year. First, while global growth will remain slow, this time the US rest of the world growth differential should narrow. Second, US yields upside seems quite limited, while the room for downside due to the Fed potential easing further is more ample. And finally, US-China trade frictions appear to have eased. We maintain our constructive view on the euro with a year-end target of 115 for euro-dollar. Now, cable, on the other hand, should evolve in a tight range due to several offsetting factors, including a potentially more dovish Bank of England, and at the other end, expected dollar downside. We hold a similar view for the yen, while in the near term we see no catalyst that could allow dollar-yen to break out of the 1.8-1.10 range. History suggests that the dollar factor should eventually dominate. Hence, medium term we're somewhat bearish on dollar-yen. In contrast, the recent strengthening of the Swiss franc should end as the SNB defends the 107-108 for Euro-Swiss via FX intervention and/or interest rate cuts. Elsewhere, we prefer cyclical currencies with exposure to global trade, healthy economic fundamentals, and monetary policies that are either on hold or have already priced in material easing, such as the Norwegian krone, the Canadian dollar, and to some extent the Australian dollar. The main risks to our views remain, once again, global trade. If the US-China detente collapses, markets will start chasing the dollar higher like in 2018 and 2019. Besides, a full-blown conflict between the US and Iran would not only trigger risk aversion, but would also spawn a global recession via higher oil prices. Again, in this scenario, the dollar would rise. Thank you very much for watching.